I'm just exploring what is the best TrueMirror app, and let's try this one. So you can see who's the developer, Brennan Moy Media. And what's the point of TrueMirror apps? So the idea is that if you're using, of course, regular mirror flips your image, so you're not really seeing what everyone else does. With TrueMirror, a TrueMirror, the image you see is what the rest of the world sees when you look at you. So if you take a selfie with built iOS camera app, it shows a mirror image while previewing and then flips it to true when you take your peek. So you can't really see exactly what the final picture will look like. But with TrueMirror, you can do that. And if you want to take a better selfie and stuff like that, it's just better overview. So for example, this is a TrueMirror app. Okay, but it's free one, so they're like really long, annoying. Okay, I get it. Wordle app is fun. So here's the app, and you can see the image is flipped. And if and it's even a bit unnatural. Yeah, it's feels a bit. So then I can give access to photos, and I can just take a selfie here. So seems it does the job. I can adjust lighting, I can select true image, save to camera roll, but then as you can see I disable true image, and this is how you see your images on iPhone, but that's not how it is. Like, so that's like the TrueMirror. So yeah, here you can see this is my right side, I'm touching right ear, and this is my left ear. So yeah, you can see this like mirrored image. So yeah, that's the point of this. I think a lot of people were looking for something like this on TikTok, so definitely give a try to this. So okay, let's just see in the photos. So here is mirror, and then I can see the photo, and it's the same as I see it here on the image. Now let's take it with iPhone camera, and now you can see that it's flipped, and I just took my selfie, and now you can see that in the end iPhone flips my image to the other side. You kind of don't notice, but the camera on iPhone, so here I see right side, and in True Image app I see right side on the opposite side. So here I see my right side. So if you get the idea, that's basically, yeah, here as you see the image in True Image app, that's how it will be saved on iPhone. So in some situations it's just better to use for selfies or some kind of photos. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Give it a try.